Bar chords and the musical alphabet. Now that you know the E bar shape and E minor bar shapes, it's time to learn how to actually use them. The difference between these shapes is that the E bar shape is a major chord shape, and the E minor bar shape is a minor chord shape. And as you know, the only difference when playing these is whether you add your middle finger to the shape or not. One finger may sound like a small thing, but there is a huge difference between these chords. You'll learn more about the theory behind major and minor later on, so for now, it's just important to know that they are two completely different chords. To understand how to use these shapes to play different chords, we first need to revisit the musical alphabet. Learning the basics in this alphabet is key, so remember that there are only 12 different notes that are spread out on the fretboard. These are A, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, and G sharp. The frets on each string follow this order, and when you get to the G sharp, it starts all over from A again. Now, the bar shapes are connected to the musical alphabet in a very logical way. For the E minor and E bar shapes, you only need to focus on the thickest string, which is the low E string. Wherever you position your index finger on this string decides the name of the chord you're playing, and the kind of shape decides whether it is a minor or major chord. So we have E on the open E string, then F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, and so on. So if your index finger is on the first fret, which is F, you'll be playing F minor or F major, depending on which shape you use. Without the middle finger, you'll get an F minor. Add the middle finger and you'll get an F major. Slide your index finger 1/2 step to the second fret and you're playing an F sharp minor or F sharp major. Slide your index finger 1 more 1/2 step to the third fret and you're now playing a G minor bar chord or a G major bar chord. It's that easy. So make sure you memorize the note names on the low E string. Good luck!